Hi guys, so today we're going to be making a banana dessert. We're just going to be using a few ingredients, so it's going to be quite simple. Let's get started. Okay, so what I had to do was I had 3 ripened bananas, and what I did was that I cut it up and put it in the freezer overnight. So this is what we have here. So what we're going to do now with our frozen bananas is we get a food processor. Okay, so we have our food processor here. What we're going to do now is put our frozen bananas into the food processor. Let's see if we can get this in. This was frozen, so you have to kind of break it up. Right? Now we're going to give this a pulse. First, I need to lock my food processor. Now, what I'm going to do to help this along is to put a little bit of coconut milk. I will start off with just a dash, because I don't want to put too much and then I, don't get the consistency that I want. So I'm just going to put a little bit. I need to give this some help because it's so cold and hard. It's not moving as I would like it to move. So what I'm trying to do is blend this banana and get it into a cream consistency. That's what I'm trying to do. I want to get it into a creamy consistency. Okay, I think I'm getting there. This looks like it's doing something. There you go. That's what I wanted it to do all along. All right, let's look at it. There we have it, folks. All right, so this is nice and chilled. All right, so we have our creamed banana. And now we can just put it in our serving dish. It's almost like an ice cream. It's almost like a banana ice cream. All right. So there you have it, folks, our banana ice cream. As you can see, it was quite simple. We just used a few basic ingredients. We didn't add a whole bunch of things. And it's a nice, healthy dessert that you can have on a hot summer's day. All right, so once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.